Hello everyone, today I want to 郑重其事地 introduce my van.
My mobile home, my big white ass to you guys because it carries my dreams. Take me traveling the whole country and let me have so much fun.
Good morning! Welcome to my house,
My cozy castle,
my open view balcony, and my living room. My hiding kitchen is my hiding stove where I'm cooking, and my refrigerator, Dometric, 12 volts and 47 liters. It can store about 3-4 days food for me. And this is my most important and the most special part design of my van because it's a shower. When people saw my car, they were like, "Where is your bathroom? How could you take a shower?" Here I am. But general, I don't take a shower in my car because you guys saw it's a lot of work. In general, I go to 24 hours, go to the gym, sauna, and take a hot shower with unlimited water. My removable faucet and my water heater, which is 110 volts, a hiding drawer, which I save a lot of space, and all of my bikinis, my teas, my coffees, vinegars, and a lot of medicines, all stowed in here. I have a lot of stuff, yep. And here is my favorite part, my TV. I love the set station, but I really don't watch it. Okay, here's my coffee machine. Every morning with 1 cup of coffee, hazelnut. Here is my study area, my bamboo slide table from IKEA, and my slide drawer, my slide drawer, my slide slide drawer with all of my cooking, plate, stove, hot stuff. All of my fixing tools with hand screwdriver and all of the stuff. If something happened during my traveling, I can just fix my car anytime. And I have 3 drawers under my sofa bed with my all diving gears, camping gears, and other thicker clothes. And this is my summer closet and my electric system. People wonder how big battery I have. 400 hours with 400 watt solar panel. Plus DC to DC while I'm driving. And this is my most amazing part, my electric sofa bed. Yes, I'm super lazy. That's why I designed this. Then I don't need to fold my bed every day and every night.
Hey, what's up?
Hi,
How's it going?
good, how are you?
Good. It's a nice van. Yeah. Is it yours?
Yeah, it's mine.
Yeah, you living there? Cool. How long have you living here?
1.5 years?
Wow. Any chance you can give me a tour?
I'm making coffee.
Cool.
Welcome in to my mobile home. By the way, what's your name?
Oh, it's Ping.
My name is Joy.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
So you got a little fridge here.
Oh yeah, it's 12 volts.
Right.
48, 47 liters.
Cool. So you cook in the van?
Yeah, definitely full-time living in the van. So I cook here.
All right. So why a little one instead of a big one?
Oh, because you can tell it only takes this space and I'm very lazy. People adding the the little tank and it's just a lot of work. And also I don't need to carry a big tank when I was traveling.
Do you have a toilet in here?
Oh yeah, for sure. Emergency toilet.
Oh, it's right there.
Number 1 or number 2? No, number 2. Number 1, right? Only number 1.
So you can also take a shower, I assume.
Yeah, or I can take the whole thing off. And this thing, I can open this slide door.
Oh, it becomes like a shower room.
Shower, yeah.
Oh, that's cool. That's cool. So how long does the water last? Like
30 gallons, about 4 or 5 days, depends on how many shower I took. If I go surfing, 3-4 days.
what about the water heater?
It's electricity, so it goes to 110 volt electricity system. I have the whole car with 12 volts.
So like how do you get the power? You have like solar panels up there?
It's 420 watt. It's pretty big.
Cool.
And also 400 amp hours for the battery, Nathan. I custom from China.
Okay. Everything's made in China now, right?
No, not everything. The solar panel, definitely not.
Are you made in China as well?
I mean, in China too.
That's cool. Yeah, I think China makes some really good stuff.
Like me, yeah.
Right. You're a surfer, right?
Yeah, I serve.
Yeah. Where do you put all your stuff? Where do you hide them? I don't see any around here.
This rack just designed for the surfboard, and I have those 3 drawers. All carry about my diving gear, camping gear, and the surfing gear. This is my camping gear stove, which has my blanket, tanks, and also my my diving gear is 3 wetsuit, and all the diving gears like a weight,
that's
BC
cool.
regulator, and my BC is in the front.
All right. So you got a little couch here. It comes. I assume it becomes a bed.
Oh yeah, it's a sofa bed. Let's say electricity.
Oh,
Since
yeah,
I'm
that's cool.
so lazy, it's 12-volt system too. Before that, when I built the van at the first week, I spent 25 to 27 minutes every day. I sit in the bed, folding the bed. It's just so much time, and I was so tired. Forgive me, it just take a little forever. I just put it back.
Yeah.
Do you want to see the whole bed?
No, that's fine. That's pretty cool. Yeah.
Okay.
So, I know you sleep in the van, but where do you park at night?
Normally, I park in front of the gym, and
Right.
sometimes I do camping in the state park or the campground.
But can you park at the beaches or?
Not really at the beach. This is a state park. It calls Huntington State Park. It closed at 10, and by the time mostly the beach city allow those sites to overnight parking. So anything like that, man, probably a big problem. So that one is 170. Mine is 144.
Right.
The city
right.
policy allow 144 parking overnight. But
Okay.
some city has the policy I couldn't park like a Walnut, Inland, like a east, north side.
Right. So, like with this one, what's the model of this one again?
This is Sprinter High Roof 144. Not very good at the model.
Right. So it's like you said, it's a 144, right? That's where you can
144.
park in the like a regular space, and so I assume it sounds like safer, or like you don't have, you can just park it like where other people park. Or,
Pretty much like nobody have ever bothered me. Only once when I was overnight parking in front of Walmart, that guy just asshole, and he's a security. He's like, "Knock my door, get off of here!" I was like,
all right.
and I talked to the police officer who was like, "You're fine to spend overnight here. There's no policy about this location." I was like, "Okay, fine." I was looking forward to that.
Oh, but so like, where do you go during the day?
I just quit my
Like-
job 2 weeks ago, so normally
Hey, congratulations.
Yay! So normally I go surfing, and sometimes I do some design, and during the weekend I do a diving boat deckhand sometimes. So I do surfing and diving
Surfing and diving, so you're at the beach all the time.
all the time.
Cool. So like, is there any like difference about like having a home on the wheels like these?
Different. Save a lot of money. I don't need to pay
Right.
rent, electricity. My Wi-Fi is from Verizon. With friends, family membership discount is only $48 per month, and more freedom. So I did a traveling last year. I went through the whole country. Didn't spend any penny on hotel.
It's such a nice man. Thank you for the tour. Oh, it's such a nice man. Thank you for the tour.